1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, new haircut ako ngayon guys. Ayan, new haircut ako. Kasi, yung buhok ko, hanggang sa puwet na. So ngayon, because everything is closed, so ginawa ko, tumuwad lang ako. Tapos, kinat ko yung buhok ko. Malay ko ba kung malaki na pala yung ano ko, naputol ko. Ayan, nandyan na yung buhok ko, ganyan na siya. Diba? For me naman maganda. Pero si asawa kasi galit. Oh, ang nangyari, wale. Ask your daddy. So now, my husband's really get mad at me. You like my hair?
This is... you just cut, you don't even consult me anymore, huh?
It's pretty.
Yeah.
It's very hot.
Hey guys, it's weird toy.
Are you mad?
Hey guys, it's weird toy.
I know. Daddy, but it looks pretty. I'm not even expecting that is gonna be too shorts. Hi, Dad. Daddy.
Ariana.
Are you still mad at me? Guys, look at my husband's face. He's so mad.
What happened, Ari?
He really so mad. Tell Daddy not to get mad. Peekaboo! Ayan, I changed my clothes because I'm wearing black earlier. At least my husband not even recognized my hair, but guys, if you see his face, he was so mad. You have no idea. He was so mad at me. He was so mad at me because I cut my hair. My husband, he don't like a short hair. So now, I thought to myself, why I'm not cutting my hair? I know I can save like 20 bucks. So now I cut my hair. I tie my hair. Tumuwad lang ako. Then I cut my hair and then I make it like straight. I cut it straight. Daddy, can we be friends now? Daddy, can we be friends now, please?
Would you stop bothering me?
Because you know you're mad. I know you very well.
Go.
Can we be friends now?
Honey, you cut your hair, right? Because you wanted to cut it. So be happy.
But
Enjoy.
can you please be happy too?
No, I'm not gonna be happy.
Why? Why?
What is that?
Can you be happy too?
Happy about what?
To my hair.
Well, you butchering your hair? Told you the hair salon's gonna be open probably by next week or next
Why you don't
week.
like my job? My job is really so nice. Look.
Told you already. Don't mess around with your hair. That the lady who always cut it. Let her cut it.
Wala lang, na-bored lang talaga ako. Pag naboboard talaga ako, ganun talaga yung gagawin ko, 'di ba? Nung first quarantine, ginawa ko, I cut my bangs, 'di ba? May bangs pa nga ako, yo. And then now, that last week I cut like 2 inches kasi I have a really long hair. And it's very so annoying. And then now, I cut 4 inches. Yung asawa ko, parang talagang gusto niya patayin na talaga ako, promise. Ang ganda naman, di ba? For me. So pretty. Bahala siya sa buhay niya.